This website was generated entirely using AI. As you can see, all the images, content, menus, all the functionalities that you see here were all created using AI. And the AI tool that I have used to create this website right now is by far the best in the market. This is the most dynamic website generator that you can use to create a website up and running literally in few minutes. Look, if you want a website for your business, if you want a personal blog, a food blog, travel blog, any sort of website that you need, you can use this tool to create it. So this will be the ultimate tool, the ultimate video to create any website using AI. So without further ado, let's get started. So you can see in this website it has multiple menus, category, recipes, blog, and contact. And you can see all of these menu items all of the pages are absolutely functional and working pretty fine. And creating this content, images, and all these blog posts and stuff like that literally happened in 10 minutes. Okay, so let me walk you through step by step how I created this website. I basically wanted to have a new website and I wanted to have a food blog. Okay, so in order to create a food blog, I use ChatGPT. Okay, and this is the question I asked ChatGPT. So you need to go to ChatGPT. This is what I asked. I want to have a food blog. Tell this AI tool, web generator, about my website, how it should be to look professional and SEO friendly. So this is the command I used to create this website. Look, if you want a travel blog, you just change it to travel blog. If you have a sample blog that you like, you just copy the URL of that website and you can ask ChatGPT to create something similar to that if you want. If you want e-commerce store, if you want a personal blog, you can just literally change this prompt to whatever you like, okay? And this is the answer that I've got from ChatGPT. To create a professional SEO friendly food blog, here's a clear outline to guide the website design, structure, and functionality. So I have a home page. You can see I have a recipe category, recipe page, blog section, SEO and mobile optimization. And if I go back to this website, you can see this website actually created all this stuff based on what ChatGPT has provided. Look, if you want to have an e-commerce store, you can actually use that as well. If you want specific content in your blog, you can mention that in your description that you're asking your AI website generator. So what I'm doing, I basically copy this answer from ChatGPT and turn it into a practical website. If you would like to add more menu items, just copy this and edit it in a Word document or Google Doc, add more stuff to it, add more content, whatever you like, and then copy that content and turn it to a website, okay? So what I do, I need to just copy this and turn it into a website. And in order to have a website, we need a web hosting and a domain. So the domain is the name of your website, and the web hosting is a place where you actually save all the files and folders. And in order to get a domain name and web hosting, I recommend using Bluehost. I'll leave a link in the description below to Bluehost. As you can see, it only costs you $1.99 a month. Right now, they have a special price, which is $1.99. So this is the cheapest probably you can get. It's a decent web hosting as well. So if you would like to start your website, just check the link in the description below, which is also an affiliate link. Check this out, and you will get to this Bluehost page. Once you're here, all you need to do, click on Get Started. Choose the hosting that you like. You can use the basic one, which is enough for 10 websites, $1.99 a month. You select this. And now if you already have a website, the good thing is you also get a free domain name for the first year, which is great. And if you would like to have your own domain name, if you already know what the name of your website, you can just register your domain name here. If you're not sure, you can choose your domain name later on, okay? If you're not sure, you can just select choose a domain later, and you can still get your free domain name whenever you decided on your domain name. Now, you can see the total price would be $35.40 for the whole year. Look, if you're serious about your website, I probably recommend going 3 years because this price will definitely change. But if you're not sure, you just want to start to see how it looks, definitely you can go with the cheaper price. Now click on continue to check out, and then you will log into your Bluehost dashboard. Okay, once you log into your Bluehost dashboard, you will come to this page, go to the hosting, and now we can actually add a new site. So in order to add a new site, you can click on add site and install WordPress. Click on install WordPress. It's selected by default. Now click continue. Give your new site a name. I'm going to call it a Vanity Food Blog. If you have a travel blog, personal blog, if you want to have for your business, just put in your business name. Okay, if you are a plumber, if you are a personal trainer, it creates a beautiful website for you. So you can use your site title. Click continue. The domain name, I'm not sure what with the domain name for now. I can skip it. If you have it, just put in your domain name here. I'm going to skip for now. And now it starts installing WordPress for my website. Okay, so the website is now generated. As you can see, this is Vanity Food Blog. Let's click on edit site. Now it basically directs us to the WordPress dashboard. This is where we actually make all the changes to our WordPress website. Okay, once you're here, scroll down, and we don't want to use the site editor here, so I create it from here. Click on following tutorial, take me to WP admin dashboard. Click on this option, and now you will get to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so if you would like to see how your website actually looks like now, you can click on view your site, and this is our website. It's an empty site, and we want to change this site, which is pretty empty, into something that looks like this. This is a website that we want to create. Okay, so if you like this video so far, I really appreciate if you tap the like button so more people can actually watch this video and learn how they can have their website using ChatGPT and AI up and running in few minutes. In order to do that, we need a theme. So let's go back to our dashboard. Here, we need a theme to use to convert this text from ChatGPT or whatever you have into a proper professional website. So the theme that we need is called Divi Theme. I'll leave a link in the description below to Divi Theme. And once you click on that, you will get to this page. So we are going to use Elegant Theme. And as you can see, the reviews here, this website has almost 25,000 5-star reviews. This is not fake. This is 4.9. And this is not a free tool. If you go to the pricing section, you can see they have two options. The one that we need is the Pro, but we need to go, if you go lifetime, so they got like a yearly and the lifetime. So you pay only once. It's almost $300. It's not cheap, but this is a one-time investment. This theme will create the website, content, images, and everything that you need for your website. And as you can see, this is a lifetime and you can have it forever, right? So all you need to do, select this Pro option, sign up, and after you sign up, you need to click on account. So when you sign up to this account, you go to this account section, and there are two options, Divi Builder plugin and the theme. Click on the theme and download the theme. Now let's install the theme. So we need to go back to our WordPress dashboard. This is the dashboard. Hover over appearance, click on themes. Now we need to upload it. Click on upload. and just drag and drop the file that you just downloaded here. And it's called divi.zip. This is a zip file. Click on install now. And now start installing the theme for your website. After the theme is installed, we get to this page. As it says, theme installed successfully. Now we need to activate it. Click on activate. And now it activates the theme for our website. Once the theme is activated, log in to activate your license. You just need to log in. This is the same credential. Okay. Now we need to create a website. And in order to do this, you can see there's a generate a new site. Click on this button. And now you have two options. Use pre-made starter site, generate your site with AI. So we're going to use the AI one. So click on generate my site using AI. And now this is the name of the site. You can put a site slogan. I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to give me a slogan for my site. So I asked ChatGPT, give me a slogan for my food blog. And this is what ChatGPT says. Flavorful journeys from my kitchen to yours. I think that's good. So I'm going to copy this and use it for my website. Okay, this is the site slogan. And tell Divi AI about your site. So whatever you want for your site, you can just type it here. And what I'm going to do, I am going to copy what I've got from ChatGPT. This is the structure that I've got. So this is basically what I asked ChatGPT. I want to have a food blog. Tell this Divi AI web generator about my website, how it should be to look professional and SEO friendly. If you want more features, just ask that from ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you the structure. If you like that, you can use it. If you would like to change any part of it, feel free to change it, and then copy it, and then go back to your dashboard, and all you need to do, simply paste it over here. So you have the structure of your site. Okay. And if you have an e-commerce store, you can tick that, but this is not an e-commerce store. We don't need WooCommerce or our site for now. If you have a logo, you can use Canva. If you have Canva, that's great. If you don't know, I'll leave a link in the description below to Canva. Canva is a great tool to create free logos for your website if you want to use that. So here it says use stock images. It should be faster. I would like to generate images with AI. It would be slower, that's completely fine. So it would basically go through AI and generate every image that I need for my website, okay? I think we're all set. Now, click on generate and publish my website. And now it starts generating your site using AI. As you can see, it says generating site outline. So as you can see, it starts generating the images because all the images are using AI to be generated. It may be slightly slower, but it will be practically a few minutes to be generated. Okay, after a few minutes, you can see it says your website is now ready. If you would like to see how your website actually looks, click on view my site, and this will be the result of my website. So I have a functioning website right now. So if you would like to change anything in your website, all you need to do, just click on edit page. Okay, and now click on edit with Divi Builder. Okay, once you're here, just hover over any section that you would like to edit. Simply click on it and change it the way you want. Okay. Also, if you scroll down, like for example, if I want to change any of the sections, So if I just click on it, it doesn't change. So what you need to do, you need to do double click. And once you double click, it will also create content for you using AI. If you want to create any content, it will do that. If you would like to change any part of it, you can do that after you made the changes. Click on Save Change. Also, the same thing will happen here for the phone number and email address as well. And after you have made all your changes, just click on Exit Visual Builder and save and exit. And yeah, and this is pretty much it. This is how you can have a proper website entirely made with AI and ChatGPT. So if you want to create your website, make sure to check the link in the description below to have your WordPress website set up, which just costs you less than $2, which is probably the cheapest you can get. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will definitely have another video on how you can actually use Divi theme as well. But for now, this will get you up and running. This will get you have your website up and running in literally a few minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I appreciate it if you tap the like button. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and tap that little bell so you don't miss out the next video. See you in the next one.